If you're looking for a winter getaway in Germany, Neuschwanstein might be a perfect destination for you. It is officially one of the most famous and picturesque castles in the world. Conveniently, it is situated in Bavaria, very close to the border with Austria. It took us about 2 hours to reach the parking lot near the castle itself. We are visiting the Neuschwanstein Castle today. It's behind me. Super cute. It actually looks way bigger in pictures. So there are 4 parking lots over here near Füssen. So you probably won't have any troubles parking unless there are like so many cars. Anyways, the plan was to go to Marienbrücke, Marienbrücke, but it looks like it's closed due to the weather conditions because as you can see we have a lot of snow this winter. So we'll probably go and look for other viewpoints. There are a few. Hopefully they will be open. It is likely that you'll need to go uphill for about 20 minutes to reach the castle. You can also take a horse-drawn carriage or a shuttle bus for an additional fee. Fun fact, Neuschwanstein Castle served as the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle and continues to influence fairy tale depictions of castles worldwide. Look! There! Over there! Over there! Someone's flying! Guided tours are available, providing insights into the history, architecture, and art of the castle. Tickets must be reserved in advance, especially during peak seasons. So we came to the Neuschwanstein Castle. It's a bit crowded here, as probably always, I don't know. I've been here before. And we made like a tour in the castle. Frankly, it was nothing special, but like if you wish, of course, might be worth it for you. But I think this time we're not going to visit it. And as far as I know, you also are not allowed to film there because they make like guided tours only. So you'll be shown like specific rooms. But yeah, there is like an amazing platform where you can take pictures and everything. And I think now we'll go and find the bridge. Hopefully it will be open because I really want to fly my drone. It's closed. No, it's closed. While Marienbrücke is definitely one of the best spots to observe the castle, there are plenty of different spots that you should know about. It can be that the bridge is closed, as in our case, or simply too crowded to enjoy the view. Just check each one of them to see what kind of view they offer. Some of them can be reached by hiking only, and you will then have a view of a castle from above. We decided to return to the parking lot and go a bit further until unobstructed view. Neuschwanstein featured advanced technologies for the 19th century, such as central heating, flush toilets, running water, and an electric bell system for summoning servants. According to different sources, Neuschwanstein Castle is sometimes mentioned as one of the most photographed buildings in the world. And of course, food. You will find several restaurants near the parking lot, as well as some closer to the castle. When in Bavaria, you should definitely try some local specialties, such as different types of sausages, fermented cabbage, beer, and other things. After you're all set to go, you should pay for the parking. The lowest fee was 12 euros for 6 hours, which isn't low at all, but is kinda okay considering it's not far away from the castle at all. What are your impressions?
Many people.
Many people, but was it worth it?
Cold.
Cold? Okay, but it was beautiful. It's undeniable. And have you already visited the Neuschwanstein Castle, or would you like to? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.